This is the cordless ratchet wrench set. Inside the box are the following: cordless ratchet wrench, two 6.8 volts powerful batteries, charger, 8 removable sockets in different sizes, storage bag, and user's manual. This cordless ratchet wrench provides a 6.8 volts motor and delivers a maximum torque of 45 feet-pounds, and a huge motor and torque will spin faster and powerfully during operation and provides durability. You don't need to worry about insufficient strength. The maximum speed trigger up to 400 RPM provides ultimate control of the tool. Turn the reversing switch to the F, forward, side for clockwise rotation, or to the R, reverse, side for counterclockwise rotation. Make sure the reversing switch is fully turned with a click sound to achieve the desired function. The 3/8 ratcheting speed wrench can ratchet nuts and bolts effortlessly, flexible to meet your diverse needs. The electric ratchet wrench tool is equipped with a LED. Even in dark corners or garages, can reach any tight spot to ratchet nuts effortlessly. This 3/8 ratchet wrench includes a fuel gauge which consists of 3 LED lights that indicate the level of charge remaining in the battery pack. This design reminds you when it's time to charge. This cordless ratchet wrench includes two powerful 6.8 volts battery that can be used for nearly 1 hour at the highest speed. This is the cordless ratchet wrench set. It has powerful motor and has a huge torque, fast speed and flexible design. It has built-in LED and power indicator and includes two powerful 6.0 volts batteries. This is the cordless ratchet wrench set.